Students, this is second lecture on logarithm. In the first lecture, we are saying the definition of logarithm, laws of logarithms, some properties of logarithms. Along with those 5 laws, 3 properties and definition, we have also taken some problems on logarithms, simple problems on logarithms. In this lecture, we will continue the solving problems on logarithms. Last lecture में जो था, I think we have taken the last problem was 25 raised to log of 4 to the base 5. Now with continuation of that problem, we will simplify or we will solve the another simple problems, some simple problems, so that you can able to solve simple problems on logarithms as per our diploma engineering syllabus. So let us solve the first problem for today, that is simplify log 14 to the base 2 minus log 7 to the base 2. Log 14 to the base 2 minus log 7 to the base 2. Now just observe this problem. प्रॉब्लम अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व करो. देखो प्रॉब्लम की तरफ, प्रॉब्लम को 5 सेकंड दो, 10 सेकंड दो. ये प्रॉब्लम की तरफ देख के आपको क्या ध्यान में आता है? इफ यू ऑब्जर्व द प्रॉब्लम keenly, then you will see that there is a subtraction of 2 log with the same base, the base 2, base 2. What our second law says, the subtraction of 2 laws with the same base, then that subtraction gets converted into the division. Our second law says that log m to the base a minus log n to the base a is equals to log of m divided by n to the base a. Log n to the base a minus log n to the base a. Here the base is same. So by using this second law of logarithm, we can write this one as log 14 divided by 7 to the base 2. I repeat again. Log m to the base a minus log n to the base a equals to log m divided by n to the base a, that is 14 by 7 to the base 2. Now 14 by 7 is equals to log of log of 14 by 7, that is equals to log 2 to the base 2. By the property of logarithm, log a to the base a is equals to 1. So log 2 to the base 2 is equals to 1. So log 14 to the base 2 minus log 7 to the base 2 is equals to log 14 by 7 to the base 2. M divided by n, 14 by 7. 14 by 7 is 2, so log 2 to the base 2, and then is equals to, by the property of log a to the base a, it is equals to 1. Log 2 to the base 2 is equals to 1. Let us solve another problem. Log, this is the first one. Second one. Log 4 to the base 3 into log 81 to the base 4. Log 4 to the base 3 into log 81 to the base 4 is equals to. Now here multiplication of 2 log. बेस भी अलग है, यहाँ पे बेस 3 है, यहाँ बेस 4 है. सो log 4 to the base 3, 81 to the base 3. अगर आप यहाँ पे भी आपने अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व किया तो यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 4 है, ये 3 है, 81 है. 81 we can write in terms of 3. 81 we can write in terms of 3, that means 3 raised to 4. So here we have to apply the change of base law. Change of base law. What is our change of base law? The basic change of base law is log m to the base n is equals to log m divided by log n. जैसे मैंने बताया था बेस लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, अगर आपको बेस चाहिए तो बेस लिखो, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट ऑन द बेस. सो हियर log 4 to the base 3, this log 4 to the base 3 it can be written as log 4 divided by log 3 into log 81 to the base 4 is equals to log 81 divided by log 4. Log m to the base n is log m divided by log n. Log 4 to the base 3 that is equals to log 4 by log 3. Log 81 to the base 4 equals to log 81 by log 4. Now log 4 that gets cancelled. What remains? The remaining is log 81 divided by log 3. Log 81 यहाँ पे 81 है 3 है 81. As I told earlier, 81 can be written and this can be written as log of 3 raised to 4. प्रीवियस पीरियड में लिखा था हम लोगों ने. 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81. So 81 can be written log 3 raised to 4 divided by log 3. Now log 3 raised to 4 by the third law of logarithm. What is third law? Log of m raised to n is equals to n log m. बेस दिया नहीं है इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे बेस नहीं लिखा. बेस दिया रहता तो आई हैव टू पुट डाउन दैट बेस ऑल्सो हियर. log 3 raised to 4 is equals to n log m. That means this is equals to 4 log 3 divided by log 3. Log 3 raised to 4 that is log m raised to n log m divided by log 3. Log 3 again gets cancelled and your answer is equals to 4. Is it clear? So here, I repeat again. Log 4 to the base 3 into log 81 to the base 4. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है और मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन का हमारे पास कोई भी डायरेक्ट लॉ नहीं है. डायरेक्ट लॉ क्या है आपके पास? लॉग प्लस लॉग, लॉग माइनस लॉग, ये दो डायरेक्ट है. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट लॉ और सेकंड लॉ आपका यूज में नहीं आएगा. सो थर्ड भी डायरेक्टली यूज में नहीं आता है क्योंकि थर्ड में m रेस टू n है. यहाँ पे m रेस टू n कोई नहीं है. देन कम्स ऑन द फोर्थ वन. तो फोर्थ वन इज चेंज ऑफ बेस. यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 4 है, तो चेंज ऑफ बेस किया तो आपको मिलेगा log 4 बाय log 3, log 81 बाय log 4. log 4 डायरेक्टली गेट्स कैंसर. द रिमेनिंग इज log 81 बाय log 3. 81 और यहाँ पे 3 है. देयर इज अ रिलेशन बिटवीन 81 एंड 3. 81 इज 3 raised to 4. So we have to write down 81 in terms of 3. Log 3 raised to 4 by log 3, that is equals to 4 log 3 upon log 3. Log 3 gets cancelled, we'll get 4, and hence the answer of this second sum for today is equals to 4. Let us solve the third one. Simplify log 2 by 3 log 2 divided by 3 plus log 4 divided by 5 minus log 8 by 15. Log 2 by 3 plus log 4 by 5 minus log 8 by 15. Now here, base is not here, the base is not given. यहाँ पे भी base नहीं है, here is no base, here is no base. Since the bases are not there, that means you have to consider that base of all the three terms is same. अगर base नहीं दिया है, base जर दिला नसेल तो तुम्हाला consider करायचं की base हा same है. So here base is not given, here the base is not given, the base is not given. That means all three terms are having the same base. प्रत्येक तिन्ही टर्म मध्ये बेस हा सेम आहे हेच तुम्हाला कन्सिडर करायचं आहे. आता इथे in between these two there is a plus sign, in between these two there is a minus sign. That means it is a combination of plus and minus sign. Combination of plus and minus sign, that means there is application of first law as well as the second law. Now for your simplicity, I consider this is A, this is B, and this is C. Log, this is in the form of log A plus log B minus log C. Log A plus log B minus log C. Now log A plus log B minus log C, by using the application of first law for the first two term. यहाँ पे आ गया आपका log m plus log n. This can be written as log of A into B minus log C. See here, first two terms, for the first two term there is addition law. That means log A into B minus log C. Now log minus log, that is the second law, that is log of A into B divided by C. Log of A into B divided by C. That means ultimately we can say that log A plus log B minus log C, that can be written as log of A into B upon C. So you apply the same condition here directly. This can be written as log of A into B, that means 2 by 3, into B, that means 4 by 5, divided by C, that is equals to 8 by 15. फिर से मैं पूरा रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. ये हो गया आपका log A प्लस log B. log A प्लस log B इक्वल्स टू log ऑफ A इंटू B माइनस log C. यहाँ पे आ गया आपका फर्स्ट लॉ, log A इंटू B माइनस C. यहाँ पे आ गया आपका सेकेंड लॉ, दैट बिकम्स log ऑफ A इंटू B अपॉन C. सो हियर यूजिंग डायरेक्टली, जैसे 10th स्टैंडर्ड में आपको रीजन लिखना था, यहाँ पे रीजन लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. इन आवर डिप्लोमा इंजीनियरिंग यू कैन पुट डायरेक्टली द वैल्यूज. सो log A into B divided by C, 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 divided by 8 by 15. Now simplify this. This equals to log of 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 1 upon 8 by 15, that becomes, it goes up, so that will be 15 by 8. We know that A, 2 by 3 into 4 by 5, that is direct multiplication, divided by this one, so in reverse it becomes reciprocal, that is 8 by 15 becomes 15 by 8, that is 15 by 8 is equals to, now here 5 into 3 15, log of 2 into 4 is 8 into 15 divided by 3 into 5 is 15 into 8. 15 gets cancelled, 8 gets cancelled, we'll get this is equals to log 1. And by the first property, the log of 1 is always equals to 0, so your answer is equals to 0. आपको चाहिए तो आप यहाँ पे भी कैंसिल कर सकते हो. 2 8 के साथ कैंसिल हो गया, यहाँ पे रहा 4 और 4 कैंसिल हो गया, दैट इज़ 1. 3 15 के साथ कैंसिल हुआ, यहाँ पे आया 5 कैंसिल हो गया 1. सो यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई इट इन द डिफरेंट वेज. हर एक का अपना अपना अलग आइडिया है, अपने अपने इसे सॉल्व करो. बट द बेसिक इज दिस वन, log A plus log B minus log C, that is log of A into B minus log C, that is equals to log of A into B by C. So it is log A plus log B minus log C. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 by 8 by 15. Now just numerical simplification, 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 15 by 8. It gets cancelled, you get log 1 and the value is equals to 0. So that is the simplification of this one. Let us simplify the another one on the same type, so that your idea will get clear. Let us say simplify log 9 by 14 minus log 15 by 10 plus log 35/24. देखो यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या है, पहले इसमें यहाँ पे प्लस था, इन द प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम हियर इट वाज प्लस, हियर इट इज माइनस, हियर इट इज माइनस, हियर इट इज प्लस. दैट मीन्स अगर हम लोगों ने इसको सिंपल फॉर्म में लिखा है, इफ यू कंसीडर दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी एंड दिस इज सी, देन दिस कैन बी रिटन एज log a minus log b plus log c, log a minus log b plus log c. Now how you write this in the simple form? See here, the simple form, first you have to apply ये दो टर्म्स के लिए आपका आ गया सेकंड लॉ, log m minus log n, that is log of m by n, that is log of a by b plus log c. ये दो टर्म्स के लिए आएगा, subtraction becomes division, log a minus log b, that is log of a by b plus log c. Now the first law में क्या है आपका, दो टर्म्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाए, so this will be equals to log of a into c or a by b into c. This is first term, this into this one. I repeat again, पूरा जो प्रॉब्लम है आपका ये प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर डायरेक्ट रहेगा. log a minus log b यानी सेकेंड लॉ, तो ये हो गया आपका a by b, that is log a by b plus log c यानी फर्स्ट लॉ, this into this, that means a by b into c. That means the value of log a minus log b plus log c, that is equals to log of a upon b into c. See here, you can apply this directly, you can write directly here, this is equals to log of a by b. A means this is our a, this is our b. A by b means 9 by 14 divided by b. B is 15 by 10 into c. C means 35 by 24. See here, log a minus log b, there is a divided by b. A is 9 by 14 divided by b is 15 by 10 into c, that means 35 by 24. Now we have to simplify it, is equals to log of 9 by 14 divided by 15 by 10, it goes up, that means 10 by 15 into ये ऐसे का ऐसे रहेगा 35 by 24. 9 by 14 into 10 by 15 into 35 by 24. अभी इसको कैलकुलेट करो, जिसको मैन्युअली कैलकुलेट करना है वो कैलकुलेट करो, अदरवाइज यू कॅन यूज द कॅल्सी ऑल्सो. जर तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेटर विकत घेतलं नसेल तर कॅल्क्युलेटर विकत घ्या, कारण की तुम्हाला प्रत्येकाला डिप्लोमा करताना कॅल्क्युलेटर लागणार आहे. सो 9 by 14 into 10 by 15 into 35 by 24, यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई इट. देखो सिंप्लीफाई करने की कोशिश करो सब लोग, कि क्या वैल्यू आता है, तो इज इक्वल्स टू log of 9 by 14. See here, this 9 gets cancelled with 3, here it is 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 into 3 9, 5 into 3 15, then यहाँ पे 14 है, यहाँ पे 10 है. We can write here 7 into 2 14, 7 into 5 35, 9 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, here 10, here 5, so the remaining is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 maybe we can cancel this, 10 by 5 means 5 gets cancelled, here it will be 2. अभी आपके पास रहेगा 3 2 5 2 and 24. This is 3 upon 2, then into 2 into 5 divided by 24. This 2 also gets cancelled. The remaining is 5 3s are 15. That is equals to log of 15 by 24. फिर से चेक करो, we can simplify here. We can verify. Write down the. Let us write it in the simple form. 9. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 10. 10 is 2 into 5. 35 is 7 into 5. If you write all these in the simplest form, 9 is 3 into 3, 10 is 2 into 5, 35 is 7 into 5, divided by 14. 14 is 2 into 7, 15 is 3 into 5, 24 is, let us say, it is the simplest form. सबसे छोटे फॉर्म में बोला था आपका 24 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 into 8. 8 3 24. अब देखो क्या क्या कैंसिल होता है. ये 3 और 3 कैंसिल हुआ. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Then this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. What is the remaining? 5 by 8. 15 by 24. The remaining is 5 by 8. 15 by 24 we can write this one as log of 15 means 5 3s are 15. 5 into 3 divided by 8 into 3. 3 gets cancelled. This is equals to log of 5 by 8. Five divided by 8. So your answer is log of, your final answer is log 5 divided by 8. अब यहाँ पे आपके अलग अलग क्या है. कुछ लोग डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं, कुछ लोग जिनको टेबल्स अच्छे से याद है वो डायरेक्टली टेबल से कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू कैंसल लाइक दिस वन, राइटिंग इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. अदरवाइज you can use the directly calci. You'll get the value log of 5 upon 8. So log of 5 divided by 8, that is our final answer. This is the simplification of log 9 by 14 minus log 15 by 10 plus log 35 by 24. We will solve some more problems on this one. Let us solve. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. If first one, find the value of x if log of 27 to the base 3 is equals to x. Log of 27 to the base 3 is equals to x. Now we have to find out the value of x here. Log of 27 to the base 3 equals to x. This is in the logarithmic form. We have to write down it in the exponential form. By the definition of logarithm, the base remains same. So this will be 3 raised to x is equals to 27. Definition of logarithm. लॉगरिथमिक टू एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म आ गया. लॉगरिथमिक और एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में बेस सेम रहता है. तो यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. सो ये x इधर आ गया है, बाकी रह गया आपका 27. नाउ 27 3 रेज टू x, 27 का बनेगा 3 रेज टू 3. 3 रेज टू x इक्वल्स टू 27 इज 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So 3 raised to 3. In the indices, we know that there is a property. If the bases are same, then the indexes must be same. Since 3 and 3 is there, therefore the value of x is equals to 3. Base same है तो index भी आपका same होना चाहिए. So 3 raised to x equals to 3 raised to 3. So x equals to 3, or by comparing both sides we will get the value of x is equals to 3. Very simple, it depends on the definition of logarithm. So this is the first problem on find the value of x. Let us solve the second one. Log of x plus 6 to the base 3 is equals to 2. Log of x plus 6 to the base 3 is equals to 2. Again it is based on the definition. Base 3 है, so this is equals to 3 raised to 2. बेस आपका एज इट इज राइट, ये इंडेक्स जो 2 है वो इंडेक्स में आ गया. 3 raised to 2 is equals to x plus 6. 3 raised to 2 that means 9. 9 is equals to x plus 6. Taking 9 on the other side we'll get 0. ये 9 को ट्रांसफर किया इस साइड में तो ये आपका 0 और x का वैल्यू हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है. दैट मीन्स शिफ्टिंग दिस 6, ये 6 को इस साइड में शिफ्ट किया, विल गेट 9 minus 6 is equals to x. 9 minus 6 means 3. 3 is equals to x and hence the value of x is equals to 3. कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ डेफिनेशन यूज किया है. log of x plus 6 to the base 3 equals to 2. Since in logarithmic and exponential form the bases remain same, so that becomes 3 square equals to x plus 6. 3 square is 9. 9 equals to x plus 6. 6 को इस साइड में ट्रांसफर किया. 9 minus 6 equals to x. Therefore, 3 equals to x and hence the value of x is equals to 3. Let us solve one more problem on the same type, that is log of 3x minus 5 to the base 4 is equals to 0. Log of log of 3x minus 5 to the base 4 equals to 0. Again the base is 4, so this will be 4 raised to 0 equals to 3x minus 5. You know that any number raised to 0 is 1, so this will 1 equals to 3x minus 5. Shifting this 5 on the other side, we will get 1 plus 5 equals to 3x. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 equals to 3x. That means x equals to 6 by 3. So the value of x equals to 2. Log of 3x minus 5 to the base 4 equals to 0. 0 equal आपका base same है. 4 raised to 0 equals to 3x minus 5. 4 raised to 0 is 1. 1 equals to 3x minus 5. 5 को shift किया. 1 plus 5 equals to 3x. 6 equals to 3x and that means x equals to 2. So that is the value of x when log of 3x minus 5 to the base 4 equals to 0. Then we will solve the last problem on logarithm, that is same type, that is of the same type. Let us say log of 1 upon 2 to the base 2 is equals to x. Log of 1 by 2 to the base 2 is equals to x. We have to find out the value of x. Directly definition. The base is 2, so x comes here. This is 2 raised to x equals to 1 upon 2. 2 raised to x equals to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 can be written as, this is 2 raised to x equals to 2 raised to minus 1. In the laws of indices, we know that 1 upon a can be written as a raised to minus 1. So by using this one, 1 upon 2 equals to 2 raised to minus 1. Now since the bases are same, comparing both sides, the value of x equals to minus 1. So that is the value of x, and that's it for our first topic, that is logarithm. For the exam purpose, you may practice only such type of problems. बाकी जो प्रॉब्लम्स है मैं आप लोगों को PDF में भेजूंगा. बाकी जो प्रॉब्लम्स है प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैं आपको PDF में साथ में भेज दूंगा. ओके ओके बाय. वी विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट पीरियड, दैट इज our third period, and which will depends on the topic determined. Thanks.